Wagwan to people, yard and abroad. We there, the Yard Mates podcast, myself and my brethren Jerome. And today we are talking about people where invest back in Jamaica. You see me, you come over here and you make your money and you want to send back to Jamaica go build house. You see me, I say whether when you visit or if you want to retire. Work over here and then retire back in Jamaica. So, Jerome, me you talk, but this is something me and you reasonable all the while.
Mm-hmm.
What your view on that?
My view upon that, as I'm saying, to each his own, But to me, building your house back home,
Mm-hmm.
for me, is the best thing a man could ever do. Because I know that's where we come from.
Agree, especially with the climate, with Trump climate, you know.
I understand. So, when a man can go some up and building your house back home, and when he reach up in a year's retirement,
Mm-hmm.
he can go home and live more comfortable.
Which is right, which is true, but all right. As we say, and I say me disagree with you, when it comes to this, But what me I talk about is at the time when you do that, when you invest back in Jamaica, when you say you build your house, right? So you buy a piece of land and you build your house. What is your living condition over here so in America?
Living condition.
Yeah, because me I say, cause me not say you can't build a house back at Jamaica, But me just say, if me feel like you have to comfortably yasso first before you create comfort at Jamaica, because on a visa we depend on our brother, and we know the a citizenship we have, and we say I live here so. You see what I say? So the Jamaica now would have become your second yard, right?
Yes.
But
yes.
well, hear my point, So if you have the money where you can go so boom say and build a house at Jamaica, no problem. Me agree with that 100%. But if you have struggle over here, so me no feel like say you should have struggle over here, so a struggle for parent and then I build big house at Jamaica. Cause enough people dead in a brother over here, so work and dead before they even could have live in a their house, so them a build at Jamaica,
But hold on, that is a good point to you say. But as I said, to each his own.
Yeah.
Because some people just want to work here, build house back home, to say they have house back home. I know some me want to do it more, build me house and able to go back home and go live in it.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Because some people will build house and at the same time don't even get to live in it.
Then them don't know people said
before them going
bro,
it.
I know a woman. Every minute when me used to work with brother, every minute she come and show a picture of the work and how she fix up her house. Brother, woman gets stroke. The woman gets stroke, brother, and end up dead and enjoy the big house with too much in room where she make a Jamaica. You see me I say, brother, so at that and see where she live over here, so a rent she pay.
But don't wrong with that, so no, if you have to pay rent.
You can pay rent, but what me I say is, remember, brother, for the time where you over here, so living, brother. And the years them the way you can get back, So you still have to comfortable, yes, or two, So what sense you go, say you're over here and you work 40 odd years. For the 40 odd years, you go just there over here, so living in one efficiency, one bedroom apartment while you build one 10 bedroom house at Jamaica.
But you see the thing about
and then when you're old and grew up now, you're gone back down there and when you go down there now, the thief they know say, returning resident and come look for rob you and kill you. Brother, me no know. I just say to each his own. Because me just have a different view when it comes to that.
Like one of my bedroom them right now. He have him house down there. Right? And him go sub up and him end up the buy a house up here too. But when he go sub up and him do it match now, he must say, boy, you have a couple more years to retire. Why he don't so go home and live comfortable and be free. And him selling house.
Over here?
Selling house over here.
Yeah, but but look into that now. That's what I try to show you. Him they already own a property over here, so.
No, you already have your house yard already before you even buy a property over here.
Yeah, but at least you have the money if you can do both.
Yeah.
And that's the point I try to make to you, brother. It's not say you're not supposed to buy a house at Jamaica or build a house at Jamaica, you know. Where my issue is, if me there and I struggle, say me live in a one bedroom apartment, I struggle for buy food, I struggle for pay rent. The little extra money where I make off of that, you go look for go a build house at Jamaica. When you there and I live bata.
So your point now, you say rather you're comfortable yourself first.
Yeah, you have to comfortably yourself first.
Before you say you have
exactly.
But that's the thing about it, to each his own, because every man mind
every
different.
Man different. But that's why I say your view different from mine. Because as some me I look on it now, say
I mean, I'm gonna say it may not be a good idea. Me want say it's not be a good idea, you know. Yeah, say still now. But a man may just come and just one going left and he just figure building place back home. So you rather know, say I struggle, can just have one goal, I try reach is building place.
Building place, exactly.
So you know what, you rather know, say I struggle, yeah, so you have a bigger reward when I work towards.
Yeah, but enough people not get to that reward.
Well,
and that's the thing, you know, brother. Enough people not, because as me say, brother, how much years you are going to look for give up yasso? You get what I say, brother? Because remember, you know, you have to go and house and not just snap off a finger, you know, brother. House take years, you know. And money take that take a whole heap of investment, you know, brother. A whole heap of money with what's a whole heap of work you have to go put in to deal with that, you know. So what I say
deal with that one. Your house yard?
Yeah.
You build a house yard?
I remember say when you done build the house yard, you know, brother, and I just as it done so you can just go so pack up and go on, you know. You have to have money save up back to retire too.
But which is true, but that's what I try to show is that to each his own, because you have some man right now, to be honest with you. In sit down and into the mass, so I must say, all right then. You have a house over here, I might look for how much money you must pay between mortgage and tax and all of that. And when him goes up and look back now, when in the yard now, he can pay way less than amount. When I pay, because if he can pay $100, they pay for tax for the house for the year. Oh, but yeah, I look around, so boy, I have to pay $4,000.
You mean $100 at Jamaica, right?
Yeah, and sometimes it depends on where you live. 100 Jamaican, $100 are like say 15,000. And you might pay for tax a yard for say 14,000 for the year. And I look around to say, okay, so now you have to pay 4,000.
Yeah, but you see, you prove my point for myself. When you prove my point, him already have a house over a year. So you already comfortable, yes, so. You get what I say to you, brother? So if you have a house over here, so, and hold on, because ambulance come, hold it nice. Him have a house over here, so already. So him already comfortable. You get what I say to you? So if him for sell him house over here, so, and more than enough money that for him can then go retire back to Jamaica. You get what I say? But what I say to you is, if you're there over here, so a struggle, and a struggle for donkey years, while you build a big house at Jamaica, what the point of that? While you're there over here, so a struggle. Why you not take a money there and invest it to make yourself comfortable? Yes, so where you're there. And when you can create some comfort, yes, so where you're there now, the extra money where you have now, you start invest it there so. Because at the end of the day, brother, yes, so we live.
I agree.
You see
I agree with what you say. But
yes, so we live in
every man have a different mindset.
I know, but that's why I say, no, people where I watch this, you know, I go disagree with me, you know, and some people I go agree with me.
That's
but everybody different. But me just share my viewpoint. My viewpoint is, if me there struggle like myself, you know, me not go take up no money and say, me I go buy land and build house at Jamaica. Me I go take that money there and try get a house, yes sir. And when me get a house, yes sir now, I mean, he me own a house and comfortable. Then me I go take a money. Then me I go, if me have extra money now, me can go sub and say, make me build a house at Jamaica. Because where you come here suffer? Where you come here? Where you come to America?
To a better life.
Yeah, but you come here, so, but if the better life, I live here, so if you get the better life, don't it?
I agree.
Eh?
I agree.
No, so all you live here for the better life. So so the better life not include you a struggle here so and a bill a Jamaica.
A better opportunity, I should say.
Yeah, but the better well, you know, you frame it that way there. You get a better opportunity in terms of jobs and them thing there, right?
Decide to do.
So basically you say you come here so just to work. From your perspective, you just come here for work and not for live. You see me talk about now?
Good question. But guess what? You see, it might be when me come over here. I figure say if me did just come over here. When me come over here, me just say, okay then. I guess some I go live now. So that me aside them. Me not go worry about Jamaica no more. Cause I guess some me there now. So migrate now, come here so. But after a while now, me go back and me I look at me and say, if me come with the same mindset that me have now, me don't have me house yard already. So my thing now, for me, is still no.
But that a spilt milk though.
Huh?
Spilt milk. That
yeah, me understand that. It's that spill milk. But me I say the mindset that me have now, for me, is still. I don't know about that man, but every man have their one point of view. Me, if you go say when me want to right now, is build my house yard. And when me have my house done, me go sub up and can even rent it out. And after a while, me can just go say, boy, you know,
so you can't live off of rent? You can't live off of the rent where you get a Jamaica. It can maintain over here, so?
No, that I got stay down there, that I saving at the same time.
So, so you build a house at Jamaica for rent out. But the rent money there, I got stay at Jamaica.
I got stay at Jamaica, so when me ready now, decide
so you go retire. So basically then that me ask you come here for work. You not come here for live.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah,
you don't come here for live. You don't come here for live.
Then let me say the way I do it there.
You come here. When me are there,
yeah, if I don't
know you can build my house better.
Yeah, but that well, alright. Well, I know take bad things that joke, you know. But me I try to say to your brother, I say, me know on the other hand, brother, me come here for the opportunity and for a better life. And that include making life yes when me there. And if making life yes when me there can then facilitate me investing in a Jamaica, yeah. But if making life yes when me there can't facilitate that, brother, me not force it. Because me just feel like say if me there so I'm yes me live out 95% of the year I yes you there. I just vacate when I go to Jamaica. Why is it for the 95% me I gotta struggle and then I live boom life in a big house and can show off with me much room. And then when I come over here, so a 1 bedroom me I turn I go in and I slave at work.
Oh, yes,
it don't make no sense, brother. You know, you see me say?
Yeah, understand your point.
Yeah, but what I said that are just my personal thing. And next man different.
Because for me and me also, I feel like me that spend more time down there.
Then how you work? How you that work?
Well, I know that. I go try
you can't work down there and maintain a house there. Where work where you get to maintain that?
But that's the only point I try to say now. If you go somewhere you have your house yard and you can find a local thing where you can bring in a local income. Because with the day yard in the bed, if you check it, you know something good on the day other day. Prime example. I remember sit down and do the maths. You know, so in the day yard, you not no mortgage, not no rent. You not take much if you live in there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Because that's the biggest thing I have right now, you know, is to pay mortgage and rent. You know?
But you facilitate the thief them where you come broke your place and kill you because you're foreign, then you say a foreigner come from.
Brother, you see, you're living in a fear and worry about.
No, I'm not living in a fear and worry about that, but that's the reality, brother. Me used to work when me there Jamaica. When me there Jamaica, I used to work at a hospital in brother. You know much time me see foreign resident returning resident come up there, brother, with GSW, gunshot wound, brother. One brother at the airport the man come from and come out of the car. So it's not about fear because they are so over there too.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. And if you're dead, you're dead. You can't run from it. But what me I say is you have to facilitate that into any planning where you're going to make. What me I say, you are going to say, over there so good, and over here so bad, and you intentionally go live in a bad area.
Oh, yeah, don't spot it.
Exactly. Now that may I say, so you go facilitate that in anything.
Even for me right now, the district where me come from, me couldn't say me I go there so go back to Kabila house.
Why?
No, me that forgot so
why? No, but why?
Because the same person them who you feel like the boy is with you is not with you.
Yeah, but then that hit me.
Another thing too.
You still live in a fear. Then if you ain't living in a fear, why you not build back in the same?
But that another thing when I go try to show you know. You know, so sometimes a lot of people feel like say you have to go back where you come from.
No, I mean I feel that way. I mean nobody exactly. Can push me into that.
There you go.
But make we not drift too far from the topic though. That is the next video where we are going to do. But me understand what you say, where people might feel like say if you are build back house, you have to build it back in the area where you grew up. And if you don't do that, then say you're bad mind and you know stay good and you figure out where you come from and feel. But anyway, I will say that is a different topic.
And sometimes it depends too, you know. You see, if you're a person, you don't say you go back and forth on a regular. And got your
yard, your foundation,
whatever. Probably that would be a different thing. Because people that are able to get used to it just know somebody.
No, really, no, brother.
Sometimes
no, really, because guess what? You see the people where you grew up with, when you go back a yard, you know, every visit where you go back, you know, brother, 10% of that gone, you know. When you go back in your area, you know, brother, the people where you grew up with and who know you, they might get smaller and smaller. The group of the when you go down there, appear new face, you see.
You know, so it's
but as me say, make we know.
Left off here.
Yeah, make we what we are talking about is.
And as I said to each
is it a smart decision to invest back in a Jamaica while you're there so? Like for your build house. If say you have a big job, you know, say you have a good job where you work for over 100,000 a year easily. And you can buy a house over here, so. Zin? And you can go so boom and build a house at Jamaica where you can.
That's a different.
Then that me I say to you, brother, say if you have the money, can do that, brother. Moulda do that.
That's different.
Right now, Moulda do that yesterday.
Yeah, that's totally
different. You get what me I say? That different, but if you make say less than $50,000 a year, you see me I say which majority are we? But that's the way the major of people are struggling. Because 50,000 a year no nothing, brother.
Money for live off.
That are not nothing for live off over here, brother. And to mouth. There you go. And to mouth. You see me I say, and if you do that, brother, rent over here, sir, alone at a minimum $2,000 for a 2-bedroom. Minimum, brother.
And depends on where too.
And depends on where, cause some place are 2,500 and up. Look how food expensive here, so inflation and we paycheck now go up. So what me I say to you is, under that condition, do you think is it a smart move for then I live like that, and then I take the money where you work? And I build house at Jamaica, even though I yasso you live, I yasso everything there. I yasso your day-to-day living, brother, you live uncomfortable.
You see, with my point of view still, I should say. And this is a how me think. You can't own a house in America.
No. Me disagree.
Hold on, just hear me out first.
Okay, explain yourself.
You can never own a house in America.
Why?
You pay rent and I say pay $2,500, right? And you can go suburb and get a house and I pay a mortgage with the same $2,500. You follow me?
Yeah.
When you go suburb now and say you live in your house for how many years and you pay off your house, you don't want the money for the house. But you have to pay the tax. And the tax you have to pay, say, depends on where you live. 5,000, 7,000 a year. Right? Whenever time you can pay that tax there, then come and take back the house.
But I understand. But you still not explain to me why you say you can't own the house. You pay off the mortgage, if you pay off the loan where you use by the house, you own the house.
Then if you can't pay the tax,
but the same thing at Jamaica?
No.
What do you mean? If you can't pay the tax, the government now come take the house?
But look on the difference between at 7,000 or 5,000.
Yeah, but yeah, you know,
No,
you go by the figures, you go by the interest rate, you go by the conversion rate in the money, but in terms of owning the house, it's still the same concept, brother. If you can't pay for the tax at Jamaica, they might take it from you. If you can't pay for the tax over here, they might take it from you. I remember saying that, brother, when you buy a house, you know, even though you pay a mortgage, you know, brother, the house is still an asset. You grow, and I like a car where as you drive to a lot, it depreciate. Your house appreciate in value every year, brother. And it's an asset where you can use, and get other things. And even if you're dead, even if you're dead and not pay off the mortgage, brother, that's something where you can hand over to your pitney them, where them have a roof and can continue pay. You see me I say, brother, so you can't say you can't own a house, brother. I mean, I believe say you can't own a house. You can own a house. But yo, you have to know say boy it come with a cost. And in Jamaica it's not free neither.
No, but that's the point about it.
You just look on it from the monetary perspective. The money.
If you got some up and can't.
But you can't look on it like that, Jerome, because dollar over here, so a dollar. Dollar Jamaica, a dollar. So you can't just look on it from the conversion rate.
I mean,
so 7 grand at Jamaica, 7 grand. 7 grand over here, so 7 grand. So you can't say the 7 grand over here, so too much compared to Jamaica. You can't look on it like that, brother.
But you see, that's why I try to show you for me, you know, me I look on it in a way for those, but if me have a house here, me can be free, me can live more, what I say, stress free.
yeah, but so why you can't live stress free over here, so?
So you retire. Let me break it down this nonsense. You retire.
No, explain to me why you can't live. Why you gonna live stress free at Jamaica and why you can't live stress free over here? Why difference?
Because of expenses. Over here, say to me.
The expenses?
Hell yeah.
Okay, alright. Well, I know. But where you gonna get the money from when you're there at Jamaica?
But that's the thing about it. That's what I say. When you're there, yard, better you not have your house. Yeah, you're not paying the rent. You're not paying the mortgage. Mm-hmm. You don't really take much for you. And you can look at something that's some kind of thing you can bring an income coming.
Mm-hmm.
And even if you go somewhere now, you say you're retired then. You have almost a yard and you say you're retired. And whatever you get, say if you get $1,000 a month, put it at that. And you got a yard. You can't live off of that. But if you go somewhere have a house, so now you say you get $1,000. That can be able to keep you up.
No, $1,000.
Just a try show
really?
You. Well, I know, just a try for your example, but you pay off your house already. So you're on a mortgage.
Pay off the house at Jamaica.
Up your me talk about. You retire, you're $1,000.
Yeah, but you're not, you gonna pay off the house over here?
Well, now I try to show you now, I try to show you when you tell me about income coming in and how you have it. If you have your house over here, and you say, boy, you retire, and your house pay off, and you get the social security, or retirement, whatever, say $1,000. Can you able to live off of that $1,000 there? How do you pay off your house?
Yeah, but that different, Jerome, because you're already comfortable. You have your house already over here. You have your house already over here and you retire and pay it off already.
So you can live off $1,000 a month.
At Jamaica? So
yes,
with all, but brother, that me I try to tell you, in that situation now, you're set. We can't do that. You're set. We can't do that. If you have the house over here and you pay it off and you retire, you're set. We can go to Jamaica, go retire and use the money where your job, where your last work. Did I pay you? You can't. But when I say, what if you not have that? What if you not pay off? What if you not have no house with pay off?
Okay.
Yeah. Now that me I say to you that at the point when me I try to make to you so me know you're a man where you believe in say to build a house at Jamaica and go back there go live and all them thing there. Me know you believe in that and them thing there, you see me? And that a year thing. But not everybody think that. And everybody will left Jamaica want to go back there go live.
Some people don't want to go back.
No, yeah.
Yeah, some people.
Because because brother, me there so and me there so I live. Me not no interest to go build house at Jamaica, to go retire at Jamaica. You get what me I say to you, brother? Because me love Jamaica. I so me birth string there. You see me, I say nothing can separate me from Jamaica. But not because I live outside of Jamaica, that not mean say me no still connected to Jamaica. Because you can go back there as much as you want. And when Trump ready for tour, we know we have a yard where we can go back. You see me, I say that's why I say to you, say, if you have the money, extra money where you can build a house at Jamaica,
that's fine.
That is it is perfect. But if you don't have the money, brother, and you struggle, me not think it's a good idea for you then take up money and go buy land and build up house and while you do that. Because you know, you ever see enough, you never there at Jamaica yet and see enough of them land the way half done house depend on and something there. Yeah, with the half done house them. Yeah. And them thing that rich and people, majority of them people in our brother, they are foreign and a build house in our brother. And then hard life take them a foreign and then can't down the house. So me feel like say and guess
and sometimes it depends too, you know. Cause sometimes some people are trying to build this big house too. Me no need a big house. Me no need a big house.
Exactly. Then me I say to your brother, them a build a mansion and then they over here so I live like dog. You would have do that? That me I try to say to you, brother. If you over here and I live good, build the biggest house you want to build at Jamaica. That a year money, you're good. But if over here so and you live like dog, brother, all asleep on couch. And then you have big 4-bedroom house at Jamaica.
But you see,
come on,
that's our next thing again to me I try show you.
Come on, brother.
Yeah, some people it does build big house. For those that have a big house.
Show off. Right? And come show a picture when in got
and at the same time, me not build the house just to look for it. You say me have a big house.
There you go.
So I build it so me can hear me if we go live in it.
Live in it.
Me no want to wait till when me hold and me can even move around. Or when me dead before me even go live in it.
They not eat a pint me a try make here, brother.
Friday night, me want to mention a reason. I'm not sure me say no this brother way building house I had. And the man dead before he could even go down.
Enough people.
And the man been reach a time.
To retire?
To retire.
But him stay longer.
But he still decides to stay longer. And that's the thing about it because I'm up at my house.
That's the risk.
At my house, I had me reach a time to retire.
You're gone. But let me say, that's the risk where you take, brother, because enough people will come over here, you know. They don't come over here for live, you know. They come over here just to work. And then build a house and then go back go live at Jamaica. You see me I say, but for the time where you're there I live, brother, God not guarantee no depend it say yo, you're gonna live for 30 years or 10 years or whatever. You see me I say, so for the time where you're there I work and I build a house say, you feel comfortable too. You feel comfortable where you're there. Because you go slave at them work, your brother, and come home. I work all 10, 12 hours, brother, 6, 7 days a week. And then when you come home, you can't sleep. You can't even sleep in a uncomfortable bed. P&Is with it. You're there in some riff-raff neighborhood, brother, where even when you're there at Jamaica, you never live at them place, eh? And then you live at them place, just to build one. Nah, brother.
Yeah.
You get what me I say now? Me nah do that, brother. You see if me have to do that, brother, me have to pause when me I do down this and make myself comfortable as a first.
And
then now me start make myself
but
comfortable.
But everybody can have their own planning and reach, you know, but everybody have a different way.
Road how to get to it.
Yeah, but at the same time you still can get to it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But that's why I say to each his own, every man point of view is different.
Different.
You see me say, cause we are say, you know, say you're right. You're right. You understand?
I mean,
you have a point.
And you're not wrong neither. I just say we just different.
That is it.
Yeah, everybody are gonna do their thing differently. While the people them watch, people are gonna have opposing views as well. Some people might agree with you, some people might not agree with me. Some people might agree with none of it. You see
there you go.
Somebody probably look on and say, watch him now, I can't stand him. You see what I say? Yeah, some people might call me sellout. Some people might call me sellout. And then some people are going to say, boy, but yeah, idiot, me not do that. You see me?
You see, end of the day,
everybody different.
Everybody different, and no matter what, people going to have their own point of view.
Every year,
you can't control how people think.
No. But that's why I say, every 1 hour we will left Jamaica and come over here, we have a common goal, you know, we come to look opportunity and better life. But in what better life is, to everybody to each individual is different. Cause better life to a one man can mean figure parent till in dead. You get me? I saying that and he happy and better life.